Okay, we're finally on our 2 month sit down. I'm really excited about this one, and it's going to be a little bit different, but not so different. So, anyways, I'm just basically loosening my hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys my hair, guys. Can you see the growths? Like, this is what I got in under 2 months. And, guys, still for free, I can tell you that protective hairstyle actually works. I've already started loosening my hair, but then I remembered I haven't filmed for you guys. So, yeah, yes, this is me filming for you guys, showing you guys how I actually take down my 2 month protective hairstyle. So yeah, first off, we're going to be starting off with water, guys. First of all, section my hair. I'll section my hair into like three places, so you can easily locate the part you're working with. So now I'm just basically sectioning my hair with my pins. These pins I got them from a supermarket, like they're everywhere. Just look around you see them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And now we're going to be going into loosening my hair. Guys, natural hair is dries better with moisture. So basically, I'm going to be adding moisture to my hair because right now my hair is dry and very, very not nice. So this is my water. I'm going to be spraying this. I'm just basically showing the products I'll be using. I'll be using my Cantooth conditioner, and also I'll be using that tail comb to loosen my hair. So now, guys, I've already started loosening my hair, you can see, but now we're going to be using one of this section, and I'll be showing you guys how to properly take down your hair without having little to no breakage. So first off, you're going to, yeah, I'm just showing you the growth, and then you go in with your water, guys. This is the best form of moisture you can add to your hair. Like, never underrate the power of water. Water is very good for natural hair. Just take your hair as a plant. Your hair, like how plants thrive better with water, that's how your hair dries better. Now we're going in with my Cantooth conditioner. This conditioner is holy grail. Can you see I'm just applying it to the length of my hair and where my new growth starts. This is very important when you're taking down your hair. So now I'm going in with my hands to loosen my hair. Using your hands to loosen your hair is very, very good, and your hair dries better when you're able to know where the knots are and you can easily loosen them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using my tail comb to loosen my hair. I noticed I experienced more matting towards the ends of my hair and the front of my hair, like taking down the other parts of my hair, like the middle part or the other areas of my hair wasn't very difficult. I think it's because of the dust, like build up from the dust, because I didn't get product build up, because I have always been very particular about washing my hair and avoiding that. So I think I experienced more matting there because the parts of my hair, my curls are lots more lesser, and they are tiny. They are like, when you're making the back of your hair, the tinier parts of your hair, those are how my hair was looking. Like the areas of my hair that were experienced more matting, so I didn't have to go in with the comb after a while. I stopped using it because I noticed that the braids were not really that difficult. So what I did was to apply my water and conditioner just to make sure that my braids are a bit moistured so that it doesn't break my hair. And I experienced a lot of breakage. So the first thing you would experience breakage and you actually retain the length. The reason why you're doing this is to retain length. So I just carefully took down that part of my hair. You have to be patient, guys, when doing this, and be slow. You don't have to rush when doing this. And also make sure you take care of the ends of your hair while doing this. You see, so what I did is to remove matting. Like you can see clearly, I'll bring it closer. You can see that there are tangles and matting there. I noticed it was mostly dust, but it wasn't product buildup, but that caused, yeah. So you can see that the growth I am showing you guys, my growth, I've had this for 2 months now. So this is what you're trying to retain, length, guys. That's the essence of this challenge. We're going to be retaining length. And you see the length of my hair, guys. Like the growth is massive. When I tell you this works, like protective hairstyle really works, and everyone should try it. And if it doesn't work, if you've done a protective hairstyle and it worked for you, just leave it in the comment section so people will know that this actually works and people actually growing their hair. So basically, when I loosen my hair, I always twist it up because I don't want air to enter my hair and my hair starts shrinking. So yeah, that's why I'm twisting back my hair just to make sure it's in a proper state without it being touched. Can you see the curls, guys? So yeah, we're going to be going in. We're going to do that for every part of my hair. So yeah, we're going in with the next section. So first off, you start off with your water. You spray your water. Make sure you're generous while spraying your water. Don't mice water here. All about you put here we're going with our conditioner. You see, as you can see, I'm applying it just to the length of my hair, not my roots, to avoid product buildup. So yeah, once you're done, you can see I'm using my hair to loosen my hair so I can feel all the knots where I'm supposed to like remove, and make sure the down part of your hair is very good. So this is a fast forward version of what I'm doing. I'm basically just loosening my hair. I took down my hair in one sitting, guys. So I advise, if you're not in the mood to loosen your hair, don't loosen it, because honestly, if you're doing this, you have to be careful and make sure you are gentle with your hair, guys. Don't be very rough on your hair. So yeah, if you're not in the mood, don't loosen your hair. You can always go to a salon for them to loosen your hair. But I prefer losing my hair by myself because I want to get everything right. So yeah, if not, 2 months of growing your hair or putting your hair in a protective hairstyle will just go down the drain and you would not retain length. So the essence of doing it is to retain length. So you have to be patient to loosen your hair very well so you can retain that length. I'm very particular about detangling my hair. I kept this hair for 2 months. This is the longest I've kept my hair, guys, and I've seen a lot of growth, guys. So imagine me keeping it for like 3 months. You can just imagine the amount of growth I'll have gotten. So I'm very particular about how I am taking down my hair. So just use your fingers, make sure your hair is moisturized, and make sure your hair is not dry while taking down your hair, because you tend to lose your hair, like your hair breaks off when it's dry. So yeah, we're going to be doing the other parts of my hair. I'm just showing you guys the growth. The same thing we've done before. You add your water. Make sure you add so much water, guys, and then you go into your conditioner again. As you can see, this is the fast forward version of it. So yeah, and then we start loosening the hair. Always take your time while doing this. So when loosening your hair, take it as a form of self-care. You're taking care of your hair, you're watering your hair, and you're just basically taking care of your hair. So while doing this, you can watch a movie, you can eat, you can do anything you want to do. Just make sure you're taking your time while doing this. So now we've gotten to the part of my hair where you can see where the new growth is. So when you reach that part, make sure you're always careful. Like, make sure you can add more water if you want to, so that it is not tangled up, so you can get off all those junk and dust. So basically, I don't have product build up on my hair. These are just dust from the air. So yeah, I'm going in with my tail comb just to remove all the tangles and all the dust basically on my hair. So yeah, guys, this is how my hair is looking, very long. And yeah, once I'm done, I just twist up my hair and I make sure I go into the next one. We are on the last one finally, guys. So we're going to be using this last one. So it's been a long time coming, so I'll repeat the same process. Make sure you moisturize your hair with water, guys. Don't mince water. Always add so much water to your hair, and make sure your hair is not dry. And taking it down, also add your conditioner. And yeah, don't use a comb. Always use your hands to loosen your hair. So just to be extra correct, make sure you're using your fingers to detangle your hair and remove your shredded hair while loosening your hair. You don't want to use combs. Of course, you're going to end up breaking off your hair if you use combs. So I noticed some mild shedding. So the way you can know if your hair is shedding or you're just breaking out is when the shedding comes out and it's longer. That means your hair is still intact. You're not losing too much hair. But when your hair is just breaking off short, that means you're losing hair. So yeah, but the point where our new growth starts, can you see those things there are dust, not dirt, guys? Because I washed my hair while in a protective hairstyle. So yeah, you can always add water, going with another water if it's too dry. And yeah, This is how you loosen your hair. So we're finally done, guys, and then we're going to twist it up. So guys, this is the amount of hair I would lost, and it was so much, guys. So yeah, I'm just basically doing a length check. This is how long my hair is, guys. Like, can you see the growth? Like, never underestimate the power of protective hairstyle. Like, I carried this hair for like 2 months, and this is the amount of growth I got. And yes, I'll just be showing you length checks of different parts of my hair. So this is what my front hair is looking like, guys. It's almost at my waist length, and this is my front hair, how long it is, guys. So just at, can you see the growth? Like, literally. So I'll definitely recommend this. So if you've done this protective hairstyle and it worked for you, just leave it in the comment section so I'll know that this actually works, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you see how I'm enjoying my hair? So yeah, so I'll be twisting up my hair because obviously I can't keep my hair like this, because if I keep my hair like this, air will enter it and it'll be hard for me to use my hair. So basically I'm just prepping my hair for wash day. I'll divide my hair into 4 places. I will always advise, when washing your hair, don't wash your hair as a whole like this. Always section your hair, guys, because as you can see, I have full head, and working with my hair like this while washing, it will be a lot of hustle and tough for me because my hair is full. So yeah, I'm just prepping my hair for wash day. That will be in my next video. I'll be showing you guys how I wash my hair after a protective hairstyle, what I go into, the protein treatment I use, what I use to deep condition my hair, and how I seal in that moisture after all the protective hair, after all the wash day. So yeah, make sure you always section your hair well. Like, don't leave your hair, especially if you have natural 4C hair, don't leave your hair just like that. Always either put in a twist or put in a braids or just a flat twist when washing. And always advise, always wash your hair in like twists so that you don't lose so much hair. So yeah, basically that's what I'm doing right now. And also, after a protective hairstyle, I'll always advise you do a length check so you know whether your hair is actually growing or you're not retaining that length. And you know, the main purpose of us doing this challenge is to retain length. So yeah, you have to be tracking it so you know actually if you're retaining length or not. So guys, yes, I hope you have learned some things from this video. I hope it was educative enough. Like, and you see also my edges has been growing a lot. In my next video, I'll be showing you what I actually use to grow my edges and how I made it this fuller. And basically, yeah, you know, your hair grows like it grows 100 strands every day. So yeah, it's your ability for you to retain length that matters. That's why we go into protective hairstyles, just to retain length. So yeah. So now we're finally at the last one, guys. We're sectioning it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned one or two things, please leave it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share, comment. And if you've learned one or two things, you can always share it to your friends, so you can always subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys so much.